How to check Instagram join date. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check your Instagram join date or when you created your Instagram account. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So open your Instagram app and tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Now tap on menu in the top right corner. Now here, tap on your activity. Now here, tap on account history. Now here, scroll down till the bottom of the page. And here you will find when you created your Instagram account or when you joined your Instagram account. So this is how you can check Instagram join date. Thanks for watching.